Struggling with dark neck skin, open pores, ruining your selfies? We've got you covered. From saggy skin to dull hair, this is your ultimate guide to solving the most common beauty and grooming problems with simple, natural solutions you can try today. Let's glow up the natural way. Incorporate foods rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, such as oranges and leafy greens, to help lighten skin tone. Mix oatmeal with yogurt to create a soothing and brightening paste. Apply to the affected area, leave for 15 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Consume foods high in omega-3 fatty acids, like fatty fish and flax seeds, to reduce inflammation and support healthy skin. Combine besan, also known as chickpea flour, with turmeric powder and yogurt. Apply to the face, let it dry, then rinse with warm water. Include protein-rich foods such as eggs, nuts, and legumes to support collagen production and skin elasticity. Apply a mixture of egg whites and honey to the face. Leave it on for 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Consume foods rich in vitamin E and antioxidants, like almonds and berries, to combat oxidative stress and support skin health. Mix mashed banana with a few drops of lemon juice and honey. Apply to the face, leave for 15 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Incorporate green tea and citrus fruits into your diet to reduce pigmentation and promote an even skin tone. Combine turmeric with milk to form a paste. Apply to the face, leave for 10 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Increase intake of hydrating foods like cucumbers and watermelon, and drink plenty of water to maintain skin moisture. Blend half a cucumber with aloe vera gel. Apply to the face, leave for 15 minutes, then rinse off with cool water. Ensure adequate sleep and include iron-rich foods like spinach and lentils to prevent dark circles. Place chilled tea bags over closed eyes for 10 minutes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Reduce salt intake to prevent water retention, which can cause puffiness around the eyes. Apply a mixture of chilled cucumber slices and aloe vera gel to the eyes for 10 minutes to soothe and reduce swelling. Include biotin-rich foods like eggs and nuts in your diet to promote healthy hair growth. Combine mashed avocado with olive oil. Apply to the hair, leave for 30 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Drink ajwain or carom seed and zira, which is cumin tea. This helps improve metabolism, aids digestion, and reduces belly fat. Add a pinch of black salt for better taste and benefits. Incorporate high-protein foods like lean meats, eggs, and legumes to boost fat loss. Exercise regularly, combining cardio with strength training for the best results. Beautiful skin and hair start with care, and now you've got the secrets. Try these tips, stay consistent, and watch your transformation begin. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty wisdom every week. Because you deserve to look and feel your best, naturally.